Once upon a time, there were two siblings named Ria and Rohan. They loved each other, but they quarreled every day. They fought over toys, food, and even small things like who would sit first. One day, their grandmother saw them fighting again. She called them and gave them a small bundle of sticks. She said, "Try to break these sticks together." Ria and Rohan tried, but they could not break the bundle. Then Grandma gave them one stick each and said, "Now try." This time they easily broke the single sticks. Grandmother smiled and said, "See, when you work together, no one can break you. But if you keep fighting and stay apart, you become weak." Ria and Rohan understood the lesson. From that day, they stopped quarreling and helped each other.